Hello everyone, this is Harsh Pratap Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code Cutty. So in this video, we are going to see how we can use lottie icons in our applications. Okay, so this is the library so that we can use my lottie icons in our React Native project. Okay, this is lottie React Native. Okay, and the way we have to add it in our project is yarn add lottie React Native, and if you are using npm, then that is also valid. Okay, and after installing this, make sure to run build command. That is, I'll show you under this package.json. Here you can see I'm having this android command react native run android. So run this. So after installing this, use this icon in our application. So for that, like I will show you here that I've already downloaded one of the icon, so that is the cat icon. Okay, so if I'll copy this icon under my project, so here we'll show you, this is the place under this assets, and there is a lottie. Okay, and here I'll paste my this icon. Okay, cool. Now if I want to use it, so if I'll open my page where I'm using this, so this is the place where I'm already having some icons. So we'll use a different icon so that we can demonstrate. So first of all, you can see I'm having this line to get the library, so basically importing. Okay, and to use it, we are just writing the same line of code that is provided under this npm package. Okay, so here you can see this is the same line. So I've just added, and then we have to pass the path of our icon, so that is cat. Okay, just save it, and this will look like this. Cool, nah? So that's how things work. So that is a simple thing. So if you learn something from this video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.